Hey everybody, this is Mr. Morell and we're going to talk about homework assignment 3.5, which is the last homework assignment of this unit. It's kind of like a review before our test, so let's get to it. Alright, part 1, we need to draw a line from each equation to its matching table, then from its matching table to its graph. So we're kind of going to draw a line that connects all of these things that match together. So let's go ahead and do that. Again, in this unit we're going to do a lot of stuff backwards. Let's see if we can find a table with a y-intercept of 2. Well, this here has a y-intercept of 4, so it's not that. This has a y-intercept of 4, so it's not that, so it must be this one down here. So let's go ahead and draw a line. We know already that that's going to be a matching table. Now we got to find the graph with the y-intercept of 2. And let's see here, that has a y-intercept of 4. That has a y-intercept of 4. That one has a y-intercept of 2 though, so let's use that one. So we'll draw that. Sweet, that was easy. Ooh, but now it's going to get tough. Okay, so here we've got a y-intercept of 4, and we already know those two tables and those two graphs have a y-intercept of 4. So we've got to really dissect this -2 slope. Alright, well over here it looks like we're adding 2, and over here we're adding 1. So this one is going to have a slope of +2. Let's double check this. It looks like we're subtracting 2 and adding 1. So yeah, this one has a slope of -2, so I'm kind of feeling good about that. So let me erase this flahooey. And then, well, let's see, if I put my skier on this slope, he's going to go downhill, where this one is going to go uphill. So I know that we've got to go to that one. And we're just going to double check. This one has a y-intercept of 4, and we already established the fact that it had a slope of 2. So I'm feeling good about that. This one has a y-intercept of 4, and it's going up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, yeah? So that's looking pretty good. So that's kind of the answer I'm looking for when it comes to that question there. Let's slide up here. Alright, so for these problems, we need to fill in all of the other missing representations. Okay. Well, we are going to, I don't know, we could start wherever you want. Let's start with the equation. It's easier for me to work backwards, so I'm going to look at the table that it gave me and fill that part in. Well, the y-intercept is a 0, it looks like. And the slope, I don't know, what in the world is a slope? Well, why don't we do this as we go along? The y-intercept is going to be 0, so it's going to go right there. The slope. Let's see, we're going to add 2 on this side, which means that we're going to go up 2, and we're going to have a 2 on the top of our slope. And then we're adding 1 over here, which means we're going to go to the right one, and we're going to go over 1 like that. Okay, so at least for our equation, 2 divided by 1 is just 2. So our equation is 2x plus 0, or just 2x is fine too. Over here, it looks like we're going to go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, or down 2 back 1, down 2 back 1, and that's what our line's going to look like. Now, I'm not going to tell you what story to create. You need to create a story where these numbers in this table make sense. Okay? So be creative. Let's get something good going on. And we'll go to the next page. Alright, on that next page, it's another level 2 question, but I did most of the work for you on the other one, so you get it created on your own. You have a graph. Now take a look here. Normally, you guys are used to axes being like this, but notice here, this time, we've got the x-axis here. Here is the point 0, 0, and then it goes over like that. Okay? So just be aware that graph does look a little bit weird. Alright, for the level 3 story, I'm going to help you make a table, but you need to do the rest. Tom is 17 feet away. So I'm assuming what that means is that right now, at time 0, okay, seconds, that Tom is 17 feet away. Okay, that seems like a pretty good distance. It says he's walking towards you at a rate of 3 feet per second. Your data should show how far away Tom is from you. So the distance is the distance from Tom. He's walking towards you at a rate 3 feet per second. So like after 1 second, he's 3 feet. It doesn't mean that he's 3 feet away. It means that he's walking towards you at that distance. So 17, he's going to get 3 feet closer. I think that means that he's going to be 14 feet away. And then after 2 seconds, he's going to be 3 feet closer, which is going to put him at 11. Then he's going to be at 8. And then at 5, okay? So you're just going to continue like that. Then I'm going to let you go ahead. You need to draw your own axis. You got to write your equation and stuff like that. Wow. This is totally my fastest video ever so far. I guess that's why it's a review. So good luck with your review. Hey, good luck on your test. If I don't see you before then, good luck on your test. I hope it's amazing for you. And make good choices.